Welcome to Weppy. Weppy is an image optimizer which lives on your computer locally. This means you don't have to make an account. You can simply drop in your images, select the size, the quality, and the output, optimize them, and save them straight to your computer. You can convert them to any kind of format, from JPEG to PNG to WebP. You can choose lossless quality or lossy, so you can retain or lose as much quality as you're willing to do so. It's great for optimizing images in bulk, adding folders or files, so you can go one at a time or hundreds at a time. When you're unsure how to optimize your images for your scenario, you can let us help you choose. Select the scenario you're in, so for your online store, for print, for something else, and you can select what matters most to you: fast processing, best quality, or maybe a balanced approach. And then if you have any specific requirements that you want to specify, like the output format. And then we'll suggest the settings to you. We'll give you a summary of what we're going to apply, and then we'll apply these settings, and you'll see your settings panel update for the settings that best suit your scenario. When you're ready, you can hit optimize, and they will go straight into your file. You can reveal them in your Finder to find all the images optimized and ready for you to use. And that's it. It's so easy to use Weppy. You're not beholden to any subscriptions, any accounts, and it lives right on your computer.